Good morning, students. How are you? Fine? Okay. So, once again, let us begin our studies after an interval of Durga Puja. Hope you are keeping fine at home, and I thank God that none of us are affected by COVID-19. Today, we will begin the first lesson of the next syllabus of second unit test. Second unit test will be conducted in the month of December. So we have 1 month, counted 1 month, 1.5 month, but then what is that? Classes would be of 30 days. After that we have exam again. So this time the geography section would be little more, and so we'll begin with geography. So you can take your book, geography book, pencil in hand, and so the open lesson 3, water bodies. What do you mean by water body? Water body means the collection, a huge collection of water in one place, either in the form of pond or the river or the sea or the ocean. They are known as water bodies. They are water body, water contained water body. So last time in our first lesson we have studied about the continent. So the landform, not water body, landform, huge landform in the beginning of the world. Huge landform was known as Pangaea, you know that. But and a huge collection of water, one collection, it was not divided, one collection of water body, huge water body was called Panthasala. So this is another lesson we are going to begin. So as you know that whole world, our earth is divided into 7 continents, and water bodies plays major role in the formation of the continent. And so when the land emerged on the surface, so water separated, water got collected in different side, either side of the landform. And so we have the oceans. The huge water body is known as ocean, and smaller than ocean is the sea. Smaller than sea is the lake, and still smaller than lake is the river, and then still smaller than river is called pond, lake, pond, and smallest one is the stream. So stream, river, pond, lake, or say separate the 2 types of, one is stagnant water and other one is flowing water, is the stream. Okay, so or the pond, then the lake, and the sea, and the ocean. So we have got this separate ocean or water bodies. So we have got the, how many oceans we have? 5 major oceans we have. We have 7 continents surrounded by the water bodies, and these water bodies are seas and the oceans. 7 continents, 5 oceans, and the seas, several seas. So what are the 5 seas? So whole our earth is covered. Let us go line by line. Then water bodies. More than 79 or 97, my dear. 97% of the earth's water is found in the ocean. But it is too salty. And so only 3% of water of the earth is useful or drinkable. Rest of the water bodies are polluted. It is unfit for drinking. The huge water bodies on the surface of the earth are called oceans. Huge water bodies on the surface of the earth are called oceans. All the oceans of the world are interconnected. I have explained to you in somewhere in the previous classes that is that what called level, sea level. Yes. When we were discussing what do you mean by sea level, why it is called the sea level, because all the water is the measure, the leveling measure, the landmark is the measuring point from where the heights, altitude is measured, heights are measured. So sea is the best because all the seas are interconnected here with each other. Interconnected, that means they are joint. The 5 major oceans according to their size are Pacific Ocean, it's very big. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Oceans, Southern Ocean and Arctic Oceans. These are the 5 major water bodies called oceans. So each water bodies, all these 5 of them we are going to discuss separately. Number 1 is the Pacific Ocean, is the huge. It is the largest and deepest oceans in the world and covered about one third of the total surface of the earth area, earth surface. It covers an area of about 181 million square kilometer. 181 million square kilometer. Hope you know what is a square kilometer. I have asked you and I take for granted that you know square kilometer. Okay. The continent of Asia, Australia, North America and South America surround it. The ocean is almost circular in shape. Almost circular in shape, see that. Challenger Deep, that is about 11,000 or 1135 meter below the sea level. Below the sea level. Sea is up below, not above the sea level. Now it is below the sea level. Surface of the water and over the surface of the water below how much? How much? Is it 1135 meter below the sea level. The deepest point of the earth's surface is located in the Mariana Trench. Now what is this trench? Trench are we have got the valley. On the earth's surface we have got the valley, that is a gorgeous place between two heights or 2 altitudes or the 2 mountains, let us say. And so in between the mountains there are valley. So also below the sea level there are the valleys, they are called trench. So the Mariana Trench is the deepest. Okay, yes. So Mariana Trench, the deep. So deepest point in the earth's surface is called the Mariana Trench. This ocean also has the maximum active volcano. See that volcanoes are the active, that also not dormant volcanoes, active volcanoes in under the sea. See, this circular chain of active volcano is known as the Pacific Ring of Fire. These are because they are connected. They are also connected. A series of volcano active volcanoes are found in the Pacific Ocean. Therefore, this series of volcanic mountains are called the Ring of Fire, Pacific Ring of Fire. Underline that, Pacific Ring of Fire. So next comes the Atlantic Ocean. Next comes the Atlantic Ocean. We will discuss this in the next, okay, next class, next video we will discuss. Thank you.